This equation hides a powerful concept. This equation hides a powerful concept. Exponents meet logarithmics. So let's solve it together. So welcome back to my channel, your home for cracking tricky math problems with clarity. So today we will solve the exponential equation 4 power x minus 2 is equals to 60. So get ready to use logarithmic in a smart way. So first, start with the equation 4 power x minus 2 is equals to 60. We can write 60 as a power of 4 directly. So we can write in terms of log, that is log 4 power x minus 2 is equals to log 60. If it's possible, write 60 with base 4. So we will write it that first. So now I'm going to use the log rule, log a power b. We can write b log a. So x minus 2 log 4 is equals to log 60. Now plug the value. Log 4 is approximately 0.6021 and log 60 is approximately 1.7782. Now let's put the value. X minus 2 times 0.6021 is equals to 1.7782. So x minus 2 is equals to 1.7782 by 0.6021. So x minus 2 is approximately 2.954. So x is approximately 2.954 plus 2. So x is approximately 4.954. So this is the final value of x. So by applying logs and the power rule, we solve the exponential equation step by step. So if you find this helpful, leave a like, comment, and log rule if you understood it all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep smiling, keep studying, and see you in the next video.